TransLand Review. App: the pros, the cons. Looking for an app to streamline your shipping and logistics? TransLand promises to simplify freight tracking and transport management, but does it live up to expectations? One of the biggest pros is visibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming logistics apps only provide basic tracking. TransLand offers real-time updates, route optimization, and status notifications, allowing businesses and individual users to monitor shipments every step of the way. The dashboard is intuitive, giving you an overview of active shipments, delivery timelines, and carrier performance. Another advantage is integration. The app supports multiple carriers and can sync with accounting or inventory management systems, reducing manual work and errors. It also allows document management, storing invoices, bills of lading, and proof of delivery digitally within the app. However, there are cons. Some users experience occasional syncing delays or limited carrier support in certain regions. The learning curve can be steep for first-time users due to its extensive features. Customer service responses can also be slower during high-demand periods. In conclusion, TransLand is ideal for businesses and individuals who need reliable shipment tracking and management. The surprising truth is that while it's a powerful tool, mastering its features and understanding regional limitations is key to maximizing efficiency. For anyone managing logistics, TransLand provides control, clarity, and real-time insights, but being aware of its quirks ensures smoother operations and fewer surprises.